What is the sum or difference? Okay, the trick here is that you want to take this first one, number 5, you want to look at what do we have? We have x to the 7th terms for both of these. Um, you want to think of that x to the 7th term as a type of thing, and then the coefficient as how many of that thing do you have? You've got 6 here of those things, and then you've got another 8 here that you're adding together. And I like to say it like 6 bananas plus 8 bananas. What do you have? You have 14 bananas. You get the number 14 by adding the coefficients, but the thing that it is does not change. They still are bananas, right? They still are x to the 7th terms. That's what they are. That's what they're going to stay. And what you're doing is just adding how many of them there are together. So then what do you get as an answer? You get 14x to the 7th. Okay? So we're going to treat the rest of them like that as well without writing it all out. We're just going to say for number 6, you've also got x to the 7th terms. There's 2 minus 8. What's 2 minus 8? It's negative 6. And remember, they stay what they are, x to the 7th term. So we've got d, negative 6x to the 7th. And finally, for number 7, we see 2y to the 5th minus 4y to the 5th. They are y to the 5th terms. And how many do you have? You have 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And they stay what they are, y to the 5th. So we have B for your answer.